You don't know how you met me, you don't know why you can't turn around and say goodbye. All you know is when I'm with you, I make you free and swim through your veins like a fish in the sea. I'm singing, follow me, everything is alright. I'll be the one to tuck you in at night. And if you want to leave, I can guarantee you won't find no.
Miguel, happy birthday. God bless sa iyong studies and God bless sa inyo dito. Okay, yun na. Happy birthday. Sana maging maganda yung birthday mo. Tapos good luck sa love life, family, friends, studies mo. God bless. Ingat. Absent.
Hi Mix, happy birthday. Okay na tayo. Hindi kung di ka lang kaklase ko yung girlfriend mo wish you all the best.
Hi Mix, happy birthday, happy birthday. Good luck sa inyo ng girlfriend si May. Parang dati papa. Wala. Sige, yun lang, happy birthday.
Okay.
Hi Vince, gusta. Happy birthday Pero matakas na hindi ako nakagata. Pati na tayo.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hi Miguel, happy birthday in behalf of IK Asian Student Council, happy birthday and good luck sa mga future na gagawin nyo pa and future life. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Miguel!
Okay na? Hi Mix, happy birthday! 19 ka na, dalaga na. Hindi, 19 ka na. Soon, makikita, after 2 years or 3 years, mag-graduate ka na ng college. Kaya ayusin mo ng buhay mo. Tama na yung pagtambay sa labas, paglaro. Maging focus ka na sa studies and stuff. Look always to your goal, aral ka ng mabuti. And don't forget your friends na nandiyan lagi para sa'yo. And yung girlfriend mo ngayon, napaka-sweet dahil siya yung gumagawa nito. Ay, siya yung may idea na itong video na ito. Good thing nandito ako sa school. Take care bro, God bless.
Hi Miss, happy birthday. Nagaan mo yung girlfriend mo, napakabait. Napaka-sweet pa. More birthdays to come.
Tol, happy birthday! Wish ko lang sana marami pang birthday yung dumating sa buhay mo. Tsaka yung handa natin, baka pwedeng pahingi. Okay na yun. Hintayin mo yung handa mo mamaya. Okay na.
Hi Miguel! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come. Tsaka mag-aral ka mabuti para matuwa yung ate mo sa'yo. Happy birthday!
Hi Mix, happy birthday! Ingat ka lagi, God bless. Okay na.
Go!
Hi, happy birthday Mix!
Hi baby! Happy birthday! 19 ka na. 19 years with your family. 19 years with friends. And I'm so very lucky na naging part ako ng 19 years na yun. Alam mo naman na love kita, diba? Huwag kang magbabago ha. Stay sweet and humble. 98 years mo pa ako makakasama sa birthday mo. I love you!